This model kit review is a T-38C Talon, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Trumpeter. And you can see the option there, and there's probably another option there. It is on the other side. This should have some photo etched parts. Trumpeter's a very good brand. They make very good quality models. Let's see what this one looks like. So this first sprue here, you can see all recessed panel lines as well as rivet lines. There's a fair amount of surface detail. Same for the other side of the fuselage. I don't see anything on the inside of this cockpit yet. Here are the wheel wells with some nice details in there. And our nose wheel well, some of the wheel covers here. This has got to be our clear glass, which they usually protect. And that's actually very nicely molded. We'll keep that back in there. Here's our engine exhaust. And we have a wheel, air intakes. We do have a interesting line there. And here are the two instrument panels. There's a lot of detail here. Here's our ejection seat, and we have a lot of detail here on these parts. Looks like air brakes, parts for the landing gear. Here's our cockpit, lots and lots of detail there. Our wheels, and the other seat over here. Here's our instrument panel covers. And then we're looking at our wings here. Again, lots of nice surface detail here, all recessed. And here's the underside of the wing. Here's our tail and the stabilizer. We do have some detail here on the wheel well, but not very much. And we have some photo etched parts, but not many. Looks like they're just possibly seat belts. And we have our decals and instrument panel decals. But there seems to be some good details there. Let's have a look at our instructions. So they first have the parts listing, and we put together the cockpit and ejection seats. And it looks like there's going to be a fair amount of detail on that cockpit. That's then put in with the wheel well onto the fuselage, which is then built together. And all these different parts are put on, including the air vents and landing gear. Wings and main gear are then put on, as well as the tail and stabilizer, exhaust, and RC canopy pieces. We also have a ladder here, and then our painting and decal guide. even show you the cockpit. And here's the other option. So all in all, this is a very detailed model. It's very well made, and lots of good options here.